In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can combine clips in DaVinci Resolve. Start by importing clips you want to combine to DaVinci Resolve. Arrange them on the timeline in desired sequence. Then click and drag to select all clips you want to combine to single compound clip. You can select multiple clips by holding down Shift key while clicking on each clip. If clips are already together, you will need to unlink them before proceeding. Right-click on selected clip and choose Unlink Clips from this context menu. With clips selected, right-click again and navigate to click on New Compound Clip. A dialog box will appear prompting you to name your compound clip. Enter scriptive name for clip. Then you can click Create to confirm. Combined clips will now appear as single compound clip on your timeline. You can edit or manipulate this compound clip as a single unit, while retaining the individual clips within it. You can further adjust or edit compound clip, apply effects, transition, or other modification as required. Then, once you are satisfied, you can continue editing.